Alright guys, so here's how to fix Android Auto not working on your Android device. So for that reason, first of all, open up the settings and let me just try to go to the connections, and then you will find out the Android Auto. So if you just open this up, you can see connect a vehicle, and it is now asking me to connect with your cable. So if you used to connect your Android Auto with wireless connections, then you need to first go and check it out your Bluetooth is turned on or off. All right, so if your Bluetooth doesn't work well, then it will not connect it. All right, then again you can simply go and restart your Android device once again, so that it can work perfectly. After that, you can simply go to the settings once again and search for, not here, you need to scroll it down to this option called apps. All right, then from here you need to go with the Android Auto, and then from here go and search for the storage, and then again go with the clear cache and also clear data. So once you have done it, you can once again restart your Android device and try to once again with the Android Auto. So if you just try again to connect your device, I think this time it will work perfectly. So make sure to restart your Android device and clear cache and clear data this application, and you will be done. So that's how you can fix Android Auto not working. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.